Today we're at Universal Studios.
We're gonna try all the good treats at Universal.
I want to try that chocolate donut.
The first sweet shop is in the main store over here. Let's go stop and just see what they have because it's probably a lot of the same stuff. Cupcakes. Oh look, they got a minion. Is that funny?
Yeah.
Red velvet cupcake. Double chocolate cupcake. Ooh, pecan patty. Oh, they got the brookies. Those are big Rice Krispies.
No, buddy, we are not gonna get those.
Well, we are gonna try donuts. Oh, look.
We're gonna try that donut.
We still have one of these.
Oh no, we're not.
$8. We're gonna go to Lard's Donut. Oh, Rocky Road. Caramel. Oh, it's like a raspberry fudge.
Oh, look.
We'll get
You have the character apple. They had a Minions one over there too. And the fudges.
there's chocolate caramel.
Wow.
Daddy wants birthday cake fudge.
That looks so good. The pharmacy here, no, opens at 11 a.m. They're hardly ever open, but I heard they have the best ice cream. So one of these days, we're gonna try it, I swear. It will be open. The other spot for desserts are the crepes, which we tried the Nutella strawberry one and the lemon blueberry. We're gonna try Lard Lads. We never had this stand before. Just the big donut, so let's see. We got the 4. I guess they were baked daily, right? It said?
Yeah.
Baked daily, and then the big world's famous one, the Lard Lads.
We have to put it by the umbrella
That looks amazing.
because it's going to be bright.
Look how big that is.
It's like
Good
a very,
coffee
very
donut.
deep.
Yeah, a good coffee donut.
It's good if you have coffee.
The bread is so tasty.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
I think Buddy Boy just likes the icing like normal.
Yeah.
What do you think of the pink donut?
Watch.
Pink donut's good. Tastes like a donut,
Watch,
like a
it's
regular
gonna
donut, but
be
it's so
very big.
fresh. You can tell they
what?
made it fresh.
That's a big bite. Yeah, it tastes like a regular ice, like iced or frosted donut. All right, well, how do you like the glazed donut, Pumpkin? Is it good?
Dave likes the glaze better than
Better than the pink?
donut.
Mm-hmm. I had a feeling.
The dough they use is awesome.
Mm-hmm. Nice and fluffy and soft.
It is fluffy and soft.
How do you like the Oreo one, Pumpkin?
Wow.
Is it good? Okay, so
That's the Heath one.
yeah, it's the Heath one. Here's the.
I didn't try the Oreo. Oh, it's right here. The Oreo. It's just probably like an Oreo frosting.
It is.
Tastes like nutty chocolate.
The raspberry.
Oh, wow. The Heath topping one is very sweet.
It is very sweet. It's okay. I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one because I really
It's
enjoy
raspberry.
these kinds.
I want this. I want this one.
Okay, take it.
Wow. It tastes like very dark jello that's very sweet. You have to try.
I did. It tastes like, you know, like jelly.
It is. It's a jelly donut. Imagine that.
I think it's delicious.
It is good. I like that. I like that one better than the other ones.
Orange my favorite.
I like all of them.
You like all of them? Okay.
They're
They're all good, but yes, the jelly one's my favorite.
Let's see what they have in the candy factory. We're going to look. We're just looking around Krusty Cornball. They got lots of loose candy just all over the park.
Hey, Mommy, I want to get some a treat.
There's a cricket lollipop, Pumpkin.
Oh, yeah, look.
And look, a worm snacks. They still got fudge and apples and more Rice Krispies. Pretty much like the front had. It's the same stuff. And cookies as well. The San Francisco Pastry Company. I don't know if it's open. Hold on. Oh, they're closed at 3, so we will show what they had last time. It looked amazing. Hi. Pumpkin spice croissant. Cheesecake. There's a blueberry. Wait, look, blueberry. Cheesecake. We're gonna try it. Oh, look, the vegan brownie. It's from the shop. That looks good too.
Yeah, all look pretty good.
Sugar Plums has a bunch of options here. We're gonna go inside and look. Okay, let's try. Caramel flavored tropical pepper imps. Look, we're gonna try. Hold on, Bob. I'm looking for the bonbons. The bonbons.
Butterbeer flavored fudge.
Pumpkin cake. Oh, they have the butterbeer?
Right there. Butterbeer
Okay.
flavored fudge.
The fudge is butterbeer, pumpkin, apple, sugar plum apple is probably just like a sweet apple. Peanut butter fudge. The no melt ice cream is just like frosting. Pumpkin pastry, the cauldron cake we tried before.
Pretty good. We didn't try the other.
Chocolate dip one, chocolate skeleton, ginger newt. Alright, so we got the butterbeer fudge, the exploding bonbons, the ginger newt, and the sugar plum apple.
Here's a piece of an apple.
It's got like a purple outer coating. How is it?
Good. It's salty.
It's salty?
It's
probably
tried
sweet.
the bottom yet.
Try the purple. Okay, I tried. The sugar plum is very sweet. It's good, but very sweet. Okay, this smells like gingerbread. What you think, buddy? This is the...
It's good. It's real gingery.
Yeah.
No, I like it.
Try the butterbeer fudge? Yeah. I like it.
I like it too.
It's a good creamy fudge.
To me, it's the best dessert we have here right now.
I think the ginger newt is my favorite.
That was really good too.
What do you think of the fudge, Pumpkin? Is it good? Is it creamy?
Chewy.
So chewy? I fucked up. Oh my gosh. I hear it.
Yeah. Wow. Amazing.
Oh my gosh. I heard it. Take a bite. Here, let me see. He just was holding it in his mouth. I hear the crunch. You hear the crunch, Pumpkin? It's got exploding pop rocks in it.
It tastes like white chocolate.
Tastes like white chocolate?
Yeah.
You don't like it? It tastes like an orange pop rock inside white chocolate. Good. I like it.
I like them. I think they're fun.
Okay, we're gonna try the hopping pot butterbeer ice cream with the cold butterbeer. Okay, we got the butterbeer ice cream and the butterbeer. We're gonna make our own float.
Ice cream first. A butterbeer float.
Do you want to mix it some more?
It's good. Oh, it tastes like butterscotch.
Ice cream and with the butterbeer. I'm gonna try it.
Thank you.
That's a good float. What'd you think, Pumpkin?
It tastes like whipped cream.
Yeah, it
Is it
does.
creamy?
Yeah.
So you like it together better than separate?
Uh-huh.
Okay. The kids don't like butterbeer plain, but they like it with the ice cream.
Buddy boy, you want to try
You like it?
butterbeer again?
It tastes.
I knew he would.
It tastes like ice cream.
Tastes
Well,
like,
look.
tastes like butterscotch ice cream?
I don't like that, but I like this.
Yeah.
This is the best. Yeah.
Okay, the last stop is the ice cream parlor in Diagon Alley.
Cream.
You want the strawberry and peanut butter?
Did you want this one split as well, or do you want both?
This is your chocolate. This is your strawberry and peanut butter. And this is Mommy and Daddy's clotted cream and chocolate chili.
What is this one? Chocolate?
Is it good?
Yeah, that one's okay. I'm gonna try the pink one now. Wow, it definitely tastes like peanut butter.
Tastes like peanut butter?
Yeah, but cold peanut butter.
Cold peanut butter.
It's like peanut butter and strawberry jelly.
I liked it before.
It tastes like rotten ice cream.
Tastes like,
The
yeah,
clotted cream tastes like sour cream.
old sour cream.
Chef Rick says, yeah, old sour cream.
It's like old sour cream.
And the chocolate chili has a little bit of a spice to it.
At
so,
the end, just first,
yeah.
it's like, ooh, chocolate.
It
Then all of a
tastes
sudden,
like
you're
chocolate,
like,
and
ah!
then it has a bite to it. What is your favorite, buddy? The strawberry, peanut butter jelly? Which one's your favorite, Pumpkin?
Strawberry.
Okay, that's a winner. The ice cream's your very favorite. The donuts, the candy, the apple. So the ice cream is your favorite. Okay.
Mommy, Dad.
The ice cream is your favorite.
Mommy, look at my face.
Yeah, you gotta do your face. Daddy, which is your favorite?
My least favorite was clotted cream. But I really enjoyed our little concoction we made with butterbeer and the butterbeer ice cream.
The butterbeer float.
The butterbeer float. I like that a lot.
I think I did too.
Then the fudge, the butterbeer fudge was a close.
Yeah.